بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم أما بعد أهلا بكم in our channel Arabic Basic to PhD. Today is our class 3 in reading session, reading Arabic alphabet, joining them. And today in our session, we are going to learn how to read joining their two letters, but they are not actually two letters, they are three letters. The similar two letters have joined together, and this W-like sign is given to know that they are two letters joined together. This is called tashdid in Arabic, which means they are two letters and we have to pronounce them twice. So how to read it? Today is our last session in reading session. After this, we can proceed it with our language. So in these three classes, if you repeat them and try to identify the letters, join them and practice yourself reading them, you'll be able to read any Arabic text and you'll be able to learn the language quickly and easily. So now, this is first letter. We have to read like there is a sukun above, like ab. We learned sukun letter. We have to join the two letters and read them ab. Then ba. So ab, ba. So this ba should be pronounced twice. Ab, ba. Abbu. Abbi. Atta. Attu. Atti. Assa. Assu. Assi. Ajja. Ajju. Ajji. Aha. Ahu. Ahi. Akha. Akhu. Akhi. Now we have dal letter, where first we have to read as there is a sakin dal. Ad, da, ad, du, ad, di, ad, da, ad, du, ad, zi, ar, ra, ar, ru, ar, ri, azza, azzu. Here only we will have that Z buzzing sound, and the other letters are lightly pronounced. Azza, like the is Allah, where we will keep the tongue out, and for the zal also azza, tip of the tongue will be out of the lips, like that. So this only we will pronounce with the buzzing za sound. Azza, azzu, azzi, assa, assu, assi, asha, ashu, ashi, ussa, ussu, ussi, udda, uddu, uddi, utta, uttu, utti, udda, uddu, uddi. For heavy letters. U-a, u-u, u-i. Gargling sound of ghain. U-gha, u-ghu, u-ghi. Affa, affu, affi. Aqqa, aqqu, aqqi. This will have like echo sound. Aqqa, aqqu, aqqi. Akka, akku, akki. Alla, allu, alli. Amma, ammu, ammi. Anna, annu, anni. Aha, ahu, He, a. Both are same letters, give the same pronunciation. This alif with fatha and hamza with fatha gives the same sound. A, u, e, wa like watch. Awwa, awu, awwi, ayya, ayyu, ayyi. Like this, we have to pronounce these shadda letters. It means the letter is double. We have to read that letter twice. One with the sukoon and one with the haraka. Haraka means the vowel sign. Here we have double fatha, double dhamma, and double kasra. We know how to read the double fatha. We read like an, in, un. Here, as there is a shadda sign, we have to read this ba twice. Abban, abbun, abbin, bassan, bassun, bassin, tabban, tabbun, tabbin, jamman, jammun, jammin. You may have the doubt why this is colored with meme. This is especially when we read Quran, we apply some rules here. But now for the language purpose, we need not to concentrate on this tajweed rule. So we can just read as jamman for reading purpose, reading the Arabic text. Jammun, jammin, hubban, hubbun, hubbin, dakkan, dakkun, dakkin, zullan, zullun, zullin, shaqqan, shaqqun, shaqqin, saffan, saffun, saffin, lamman, lammun, lammin. Same way here with the practice of the shadda. Amma, hamma, tamma, janna, hunna, dalla, dalla, dhalla, zalla. You can see the difference in pronunciation, the articulation points of this va. As I said, it is heavily pronounced. This is za, lightly pronounced. Zalla, dhalla, khaffat, hammat, kubbat. Now we have the three-letter words with the shadda in between. Habbat, marrat. Now four-letter words. Hurrimat, fussilat, qullibat, su'irat, uttilat, nuqaddisu, nusabbihu, nusaddiqu, tunazzilu, unabbi'u. Same way we have the 5-letter and 6-letter words here. Nothing but we have to read the letters individually. Then if there's a shadda, we have to join them. We can read no matter how many letters the word is, we can just join one letter, two letter, and then we can read it. Just spell it and read it. Sa, yes, zak, keru. We can see there are two shadda letters. So first we are reading the zal twice. Yes, za. Then we have to read this kaf again twice because there is a shadda. Zak, ka, ru. Sa, yes, zak, ka, ru. So reading this zal twice, then kaf twice. La, ya, mas, san, na. So reading the sin twice because of this tashdid sign above and reading the noon twice. La, ya, mas, san, na. La, you, wal, lun, nu. Yesh, sha, qa, qu. Remember that there are the two shadda letters and each letter should read twice. La yu baddi lanna yasud dunna ka latu nabbi anna hum lanu saddi panna fala nu walli yanna ka. Like this, we can separate the letters and read. Fala yubatti kunna. Now we have one more page, the last page in our reading session, which are the long vowel. Till now, we have learned the short vowel letters, how to pronounce them, the sukun letters, joining the two letters, and the shadda letters, reading the double letter, reading the letter twice when there is a shadda above. Now we have this interesting and very important session in our reading is the long vowel. Long vowel letters, how to read them. These are called the long vowel letters. Alif, like we have vowel letters in English language also. They are alif, waw, and ya. When there is a alif following the alif again, it means we have to read it as ah. For ah sound, alif comes to make it long. Transition. For dhamma, for oo sound, dhamma waw comes to pronounce it as oo. Okay. For kasra, for e sound, ya comes. Okay. For a sound, alif follows the letter. To make it oo sound, waw follows the letter. And to make it e sound, ya follows the letter. This is very interesting. Okay. To make the sound lengthy, we can see that there is a following alif for making it ah, and following waw to make it oo, the little lengthy one than the short vowel, and following ya to make it e. There's no difference in this. These letters only will follow to make the sound long. Okay, now let's practice this very important session of our reading session. A, U, E. We have to know the difference between reading A and A. First, we learned A. Now, this is A session. Okay, so we should not read the short vowel as A because there is this we have to read it as A. There must be some difference in reading A and A. Okay, this is A, U, E. Ba, bu, bi. Ta, tu, ti. You can notice for A sound, alif is following. For U sound, waw is following. And for E sound, ya is following. These are the long vowel letters. Alif, waw, and ya. Sa, su, si. Ja, ju, ji. Ha, hu, hi. Kha, khu, khi. Da, du, di. Za, zu, zi. Ra, ru, ri. Za, zu, zi. Sa, Su, si. If you remember the alphabet letters, easily we can pronounce all the letters with this sakin letter and with the shadda and with this long vowel letters. Sha, shu, she. Sa, su, si. Da, du, di. Da, du, ti. Za, zu, zi. A, ru, i. Ga, gu, gi. Fa, fu, fi. Qa, qu, qi. Ka, ku, ki. Same way. La, lu, li. Ma, mu, mi. Na, we should not make very long like na. No, this is na. Only two count. Na, that's it. Nu, ni. Ha, hu, he. A, u, e. As we learned in the previous lesson, we have to read only this hamza here. A, u, e. A, u, e. Va, vu, vi. Ya, you, ye. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our reading session till here. If you practice very well, you can easily read any text in the Arabic. Okay. Now, let us learn today's sentence for our daily routine use. Today, we are going to see how to say in Arabic, thank you. Okay. We say, shukran jazilan. Thank you so much. Shukran jazilan. Shukran jazilan. Which means, thank you so much. The transliteration is, shukran jazilan. Shukran jazilan. Okay. Now, we can say shukran jazila also without saying this ending. Shukran jazila or shukran jazilan. Both we can say. And there's a short form also to thank someone. It's shukran lakum. Thank you. Okay. Shukran lakum, which means thank you. Instead of saying jazilan, we can mention shukran lakum. Okay. So both shukran jazilan or shukran jazila or shukran lakum. Thank you. We can say it just shortly shukran also. Shukran. So all these three forms we can say while thanking someone. Okay. And the replay we will see in the next class, how to reply for someone who is thanking. A very short word that is. Okay. So say and practice shukran jazilan. Shukran lakum. Like this. Now, let us end our session. Shukran lakum. Ma'as salam.